Am I audible? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Great. So I'll
Yeah,
start
yeah, you can.
now.
Good
See,
afternoon, all of you. We are starting. Okay, and yes, the recording is there.
good afternoon. So today's session is about data science, how to improve productivity of data scientists or machine learning engineers by 5 to 6 times.
Can you please introduce yourself, sir?
Hmm?
Please introduce yourself, and then you can continue.
Okay, I'm introducing. See, I'm Pannalal Patodia, CEO of Patodia Infotech Private Limited. For 23 years, I worked in bank, and thereafter now I am in totally in data science, and our company is developing a new groundbreaking language on that is called DSC, and it can enhance the productivity of data scientists and machine learning engineers by 5 to 6 times. It's a novel SQL kind of language that caters to data analytics, graph generation, report generation, and both supervised and unsupervised machine learning. It offers extensive commands for both data analytics and supervised and unsupervised machine learning. It mainly tackles tabular data. It's a versatile and it can read CSV, TSV, Parquet, Feather, XLX, JSON. Why my voice is echoing? Ansul?
Not, no, it's perfect.
Yes, okay. So it can read various file types CSV, TSV, Parquet, Feather, Excel, JSON, Apache Avro, and write also. It can also write in all this file system. Additionally, it facilitates querying relational database like SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, Azure SQL Database, Oracle, BigQuery, Postgre, MySQL, MySQL, MariaDB, SQLite, Redshift, and ClickHouse. It can also save data to SQLite. In terms of unsupervised machine learning, it can do anomaly and outlier detection, clustering, association rule analysis, basket analysis. For supervised machine learning, it can do binary and multi classification, regression, and time series forecast. Its main advantage is it can do lot of work in a single command. So please stay tuned for session as we have a wonderful offer for all the participants.
Can you please share what is the offer for all the participants of Code Inverses?
Okay, the this development of this language, yeah, it is developed by a team of data scientists, then Python programmers, then compiler constructor, document writer, technical document writer, and so on. And it has taken nearly 1 year to develop this language. And now I'll start showing you demo. Are you all able? Are you all able to see my screen?
Hi, Head. What? Why you raised your hand? Can you please speak?
No. Whether
If
my
you are
screen
having
is
any doubt,
visible on
can you
the.
please tell us? Yeah, your
Hello.
screen is
Hello,
visible, sir.
hello. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah. What? Yeah. We are.
Actually, sir voice is like repetition two times, so that's why I raised my hand.
Oh, okay. But I'm not getting. I
Yeah.
think please.
I am hearing echo.
I'm not.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Exactly. It's echo. It's repeating two times sometime.
Oh. Sir,
Suppose.
can you
Yeah,
please change your microphone if you have other?
yeah. Just give a few minutes.
Thanks, Head, for your like
Yeah,
suggestion
I,
to
I done
improve.
it.
Yeah. Awesome. Sir, I think your network is issue is there.
To turn. Okay. Now
Yeah.
is now share screen. Okay. Is my voice clear now?
Yes. From in my side.
You ask participants whether it is echoing. What?
Hi. Are you still getting echo? Let me know. Are
Hello.
you still
Yeah.
hello? अभी भी
Yeah,
echo हो
I
रहा है?
can. No, no, I can hear you properly right now. But sir's
Okay.
voice is still echo type, but it will be fine for me. I can hear you properly.
Yeah, same here. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Please
So
let us know in the message session so that we can like get to know. Is there Q session available? Yeah, it is. Awesome. Oh, welcome all of you if you are joined right now.
okay. Now see first
Yeah,
we will
start.
see we will do data analytics and generate some report, and then we will go to uh, market basket analysis. And market basket analysis is something like you see when you purchase something from Amazon, the related item they keep showing, so that is called market basket analysis or association rules. And third, we will do some classification. We will create a classification model, and then we'll see how accurate is our prediction. Okay, so let us start with student data. The student data set is stored in students.csv containing 20,000 rows, 13 columns, and roll numbers are assigned from 1 to 20,000. There are 5 grades ranging from 6 to 10. Gender include male and female. There are 10 subject. Okay, I'll show you the file. Student file. Okay, so there are 20,000 rows, and first column is roll number, second is grade, third is gender, mathematics, physics, chemistry. 10 subjects are there, and this record we don't require it. We remove this. So 10 subjects are there. Okay. Now we will see our task one by one. First task always is profile generation. So we need to generate profile. Let us conduct exploratory data analysis or data profiling. And the profile should be stored in student profile.html with heading profile of student data. And this is the complete program. To generate the profile, this much only we need to write. Okay. So the program name is to file profile.dsc. Now, what I'll do, I'll run this DSC student profile. it generally does in less than 1 second instantly. I don't know why it has taken 8 seconds. It should have done instant. Yeah, 1 second. Now we will check this profile is being generated. Okay. Now this is the top 10 rows. These are the bottom 10 rows. Number of rows are 20,000. Number of columns are 13. These are the data type. There is no duplicate row. There is no missing value. The numeric column statistics, roll number, we don't require mean. Grade also we don't require. From mathematics, okay, the mean marks are 50. Standard deviation, minimum 10 percentile, 25 percentile, median, all this it is showing. And categorical gender. Male are 10,996, remaining are female. So just this single program, small 2-line program has generated this profile. Now we go to our here download link is there. You can download student profile.
Awesome.
Okay. Now second task is see we are having 10 subjects, but we don't have total marks of any student. Now we want to generate total mark, we want to generate rank, we want to generate percentage for each student. So that is our second task. Open student CSV file, add a column with the name total, summing column number 3 to 12. What are column number 3 to 12? You can see here 3 to 12. These are subjects: mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science, art. So, and then fourth thing is we need to add a rank, grade wise rank. We can't assign each student a separate rank because grade 6
Yeah.
somebody came first, 7th it is different, 8th it is different. Okay. And finally save this data to students new.csv and then conduct the profile again. This new students new profile. This is the program. Open student.csv, English like language. Add statistic column. The column name should be total, and we should do sum of column 3 to 12. And then add column percent. In percentage, what we do, the total column, whatever we have done, we divided by 10 and round it to 2 decimal places. Now add rank column. The column name is rank, and grade wise we want, and it is based on the total in descending order. The person who is getting highest marks is getting first rank, second highest second rank, and so on. And the data will be saved to students new CSV,
Yeah.
and then new HTML profile will be created. Now, do you find this language simple or it is complicated?
Let us know in the comments.
Okay, let people know. In the meantime, I'll try to run this program. It's too new.
Okay. Got simple.
Actually, the pressing Y has taken the time. If I is 1 second, 1 second, it has generated the total marks, percentage, and rank. And then it has
Yeah.
saved to a file, and it has also created profile. Done.
Yeah.
The same thing if we have to do in any other language. Suppose we want to do in Excel, it will take Excel. I don't know even whether grade wise rank we can assign it or not. Tableau also it is very time consuming. Python, if we have to write, probably we need to write 100-line program. R also we can do. There are many options available, but the simplicity and speed we are talking about. Okay. Now let us see the result. Student new CSV. We can see first profile, the new profile. So here we are seeing total marks are there, percentage there, rank is there. Similarly, bottom 10 rows and rest of the things, okay, we don't, it is almost similar, except that few columns have increased. Now, you see the comment, whether it is clear? Yeah. Any comment from the audience?
Yeah, you can check it in chat, not speaker chat,
Hmm.
in
Where
audience chat.
here it is.
I think that is not visible for you because you are presenting.
Okay, all right, no problem. It's okay. You
But
can
yeah,
check.
getting good.
You can check the
I will
comments.
let you know.
Yeah, and
One person is asking, what is the size of data set? What is
it's
the size of data set?
there is no limitation as far as the size of data set is concerned. It's only your computer RAM. And today 16 GB is available at 10,000 to 12,000. Sorry, 64 GB RAM is available at 10,000 to 12,000. So there is no data size limitation, neither number of rows, nor number of columns.
I think you got it.
Clear? Okay. Now, we will also see once this student new CSV. Older one, I'll, okay. This I'll remove. This. Okay. So for every student, we have total mark, percentage, and rank. Okay. Now we move on to the next task, and there is a download link. Student new, you can download from this link, and profile also you can download from this link. And this entire document also I'll be sharing. Now we have generated the rank. Now we want to generate result. So we are opening new student new we have created that we will be opening, and then we want to add a column final result where those who are securing less than 35 marks, we say fail. Those who are between 35 but less than 50, the third division. 50 and above but less than 60, second division. And those below 80, first division. 60 and above but below 80. And above 80 are distinction. And this result should be saved to student result.csv, and then compute the frequency based on grade and gender, and also compute the frequency based on grade, gender, and final result. Now you see the way we write the description and the way we write the program. Open student new CSV. The way we have written is description, same way we are writing the program. Add binary column. Why we call it bin column? Because uh, marks are float. Okay. Now float we are converting. Anybody is securing less than 35, it is given 0. 35 but less than 50 is given 1. 50 and above less than 60 is given 2. 60 and above less than 80 given 2. This way 0 fail 1 third division. See, less than 35 0, 35 51, 50 62, 60 83, and above 84. Then we add one more column final result, and we are replacing 0 with fail, and 1 with third division, 2 with second division, 3 with first division, 4 with distinction. And this we are saving and computing frequency. And before I proceed, let me tell you, it has nothing to do, the language has nothing to do with the student data or student. This I have taken just student example. Any data set, it's the number rows and column. It can be related to anything. It can be customer value, it can be sales, it can be salary, it can be patient detection, it can be something engine failure, it can be anything, any data. Okay. So now to result we will be, I'll be showing you the program, and then we'll be executing. STU result. Okay. So what we have done, we have given first thing. No, this was done. Uh, now result was added. Second thing was final result was added, and then this data has been saved to a file, and then we are seeing grade wise result. Now in sixth grade, here you can see better probably. In sixth grade, 21% got distinction, so 0.58%. 22% failed. 27.5% first division. 20% second division. 29.6% third division. Okay. And we have also said compute frequency based on grade, gender, and final result. Okay. So here we are seeing gender wise. In female, 9 girls got distinction, 12 boys got distinction in class 6. So like that we can see frequency, and this percentage is based on the total 100, but this is group wise percentage. The 6th grade female, this is one group. 6th grade male, this is another group. Like that. It keeps going on. Okay. Now before I go further, I want to know anyone here data scientist is there who is working as data scientist?
Let us know in DM. Not DM, I am asking in chat area.
Hmm. Any data scientist is there? No problem. You ask.
San bro said studying only.
Hmm?
One member has raised their hand.
Okay, great. Okay. Anyway, we will discuss later on, and download links are given here, result as well as the student result. Then we go to our fourth task. Now we need to generate a report, HTML report. So we are opening student new, order the data by rank and grade in ascending order. So we say order by rank, grade, ascending. Rank is also ascending, grade is also ascending. And we are selecting only those students. Again, my voice is echoing.
No, it's perfect.
Okay, great. So select only those students whose rank is equal to or below 20. So we say where rank is less than or equal to 20, and then we say generate HTML group report. Now how this command works, we can see here. Okay, I'll go here, and suppose I say HTML report. This command, how it works, first line should be header, second should be number of rows, and if you put number of rows 0 or -1, all the rows will be displayed, and output file name, then comma separated list of group columns, and comma separated list of numeric column, and aggregate function, and style. Now style is optional. Okay. So this is our program. We can see here, open student new, order by rank HTML. This is the heading, grade and gender wise report of top 20 student. And below 20 rank, whoever student has got within top 20 rank, they should all be displayed. So we say 0. And the report name is student group report.html. And it should be grouped on grade and gender. And then the grouping. For
By the
grouping,
way, if you want to check out the SC language website, then you can check it. I am sharing the link again in the chat area.
so now we will click on this to group report, and we will generate DSC group report. Yes, done. This has taken 1 second, but even if you don't bother, and less than 3 seconds, it has done all these things. And this report is generated, and let us see the report. What report it has generated? See, for grade 6 and female, these are the complete data, and then this is the group data. Group, we have I have shown you that we wanted count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, median, max. So here we are able to see 8 students are there. Mathematics average marks are 94.65, physics 92, chemistry 90, total at 22, rank 9.87. If you wanted to group on all the columns, we could have said all the columns. Yeah, any question is there, you can type. So this is boys report. So now we go 10th class student. Group 1, grade 10, gender female, top 13 rank females, and 7 students male. So for different grade, the report is generated. See, with this small program, we have ordered by rank and grade, and we have said rank should be less than 20. And using this single command, we have generated this report, this big report. Okay. Now we go to, and this report you can download from this link. And last task we will see, can we compute the correlation? There are number of commands to compute the correlation. For example, if I say DSC minus L correlation, there are 3 type of correlation commands are there. Correlation matrix means it will compute correlation among all columns. And correlation among columns means you can specify the columns. And correlation with single column means you can tell which single column, what other, all other numeric column correlation. And then we are we have provision for 3 type of correlation: Pearson correlation, Candle-Toe rank correlation, Spearman rank correlation. Now Pearson correlation expect that linear relationship, whereas Candle-Toe, it can be based on even non-linear will be working. It need not be linear. Similarly, Spearman rank correlation also can be non-linear. It does not assume normality. Okay, and this is the complete program. Correlation among columns, Pearson correlation. P means Pearson between column number 3 and 13, and total also you include. You could have also given 3, 13. Total is 15th. See, here we see column number was, total was 13. We have given 3 to 13, and then again we have given total. You are seeing 3 to 13, and again we have given total,
Yeah,
just to
yeah.
confuse the program, whether it gets confused, whether it takes anything extra, and compute student correlation. If we give same column number multiple time, it will remove duplicates, and it will generate whatever we give. Okay. So I'll show you, this is the student group, and then I'll run this DSC, not group, correlation. Correlation. Done. And I press Y in advance, it will take less than 1 second to compute all the correlation. And if you want, you can see the correlation here. This is the file it has generated. This is showing up correct to 2 decimal places. I'll take another program. This will show all the. So mathematics to mathematics correlation will be 1. Mathematics to physics correlation is 97.8%. Mathematics to chemistry 94%. Mathematics to computer science 91%. So now you are able to see key advantage. You need not know how to compute Pearson correlation.
Yeah. Hmm.
Just your job is to understand that these three options are available: Pearson, candle, and then column numbers, and then file name. That's all. And you can see the help online. If you want online, I can show you online also. I'll simply say correlation, and it has given correlation matrix how it works, correlation among columns how it works, and correlation with single column how it works. All three commands it shows. Right? So any question about this student data, or we should go further some other topic?
Let us know in
Okay. So I am proceeding. I believe
yeah.
up to this time we were doing data analytics. Okay. And it has lot of commands. What I am showing you is not even 5% of the DSC. Now, see, when you go to Amazon or Flipkart, you purchase anything, they will keep sending you SMS, they will keep sending you email that this is item, you have purchased this item, so you might be interested in this item also. Okay. And sometime when you visit some other website, there also you will see advertisement specifically for you, suggesting something related to whatever you have purchased. Okay.
Hi,
So,
sir. We got one comment like uh,
yeah,
he is asking,
mhm.
is this an alternative to SQL language? Let us know.
It is
Is it
not
alternative
alternative to SQL
to?
language. It is far, far ahead of SQL language. See, in SQL language,
Okay.
how do you create a HTML report? One thing, correct?
Yeah.
Second thing, how do you compute all this correlation matrix at one command, single command? Third thing,
Yeah. That's
SQL or Excel or Tableau, they will not allow you to do machine learning. Like now we are doing market basket analysis. This market basket analysis is not possible in SQL or SQL. Am I clear?
yeah. Yeah. You can continue.
Okay. So now this the purpose of market basket analysis are twofold. One is, if we know that if this item has been purchased, most likely the person is also going to purchase another item. Okay. So we can send email or SMS or whatever we want to send. That is one part. Second part, if it is a retail physical store, what we can do, items which are connected, we can keep it together. So person if purchase one item, he will also purchase another item. Now, this is the download data link where you can download this data, and these are in Excel format, and it is given for 2 years, 2009, 2010, and 2010 and 2011, and there are some overlapping data. So what we did, that from one sheet we have taken data and stored in online retail 910, means 2009 2010 data we have stored in this. Now somebody was asking how many, is there any limitation? Now here are 525,000 rows. Okay. Or in Indian system, 5,25,000 records are there and add columns.
Okay.
The first task is always to generate profile. This is the most important task. and I'll close this student thing. This also correlation also I close, and we go to the online retail. Okay. So first thing we will do profile. Okay. So I'll switch to online. BSc profile. Done. Just taken 3 seconds. For 5,25,000 rows and add columns, it has generated top 10 rows, bottom 10 rows, number of rows, columns, and list of column, number of duplicate rows, columns with missing value, generating descriptive statistic, details of inferred data type, and all this thing it has done. Now we will go to online detail, and what it has generated, let us check. Now this we are able to see. Top 10 rows, bottom 10 rows, number of rows are 5,25,525,000. Number of columns are 8. Now, how many duplicate rows are there? 6,865 duplicate rows are there. Now, customer ID and description, missing values are there. Okay. Then, numeric column statistic, quantity, we are not interested. Actually speaking, if I show you the original file, it will take some time to. Okay. There are 5,25,000. Now we require only invoice number, stock code, and description. All these columns we don't require. These are sufficient. These three columns are sufficient. Now invoice number we require because we want to see the single invoice, how many items are there and how many people have purchased two items together. Okay. So, okay, profile has been generated and we are able to see. So now our job is to remove duplicate rows and remove missing value. Correct? So now we go to, now our second task is remove duplicate rows. So we open this file and drop rows containing missing data. Just say drop rows with missing data. Third is remove duplicate rows. We say remove duplicate rows, and when we say remove duplicate row, if we say you consider only this column, and if you want all the columns to be considered, then we first this thing, first parameter or first argument we keep blank, and second argument where it should be set. Okay. And something very important I should tell you about DSC. If I say DSC developed by Patodi and Infotech is a novel SQL-like language. In this, command begin on new line. An entire command is written on a single line, except for code begin, code end. And these are the command. Command start with hash or this double slash or multiple command like C or C++ commands. And this hash is Python command. Okay. And here itself I can say,
Yeah,
answer any question? Some
not from my side.
from any other, somebody has, I heard some, okay, my own voice is echoing, I don't know. Anyway, now see, this is the command we'll be running where we are dropping the missing data and removing the duplicate rows. Okay. So rm duplicate, dsc rm, total 5 seconds. And now originally we were having 525,000 rows. Now we are left with 410,000 rows.
Sir, one person is having a doubt.
Yeah.
Let me give permission.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Please ask the doubt.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I have one question that there are certain steps like first of all data pre-processing, data cleaning, and after
Mhm.
that ED and feature engineering,
Mhm.
and there is also one data ingestion step also in between that. So, sir, it's required to apply this all these steps in every project. Like as can I see you applied like random steps regarding the data. So that's why I asked.
See, basically, you see the profile.
Okay.
Now, generally, what we do, duplicate rows has to be removed. That is most important.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
second thing is, in most cases, when we are doing supervised machine learning, the
Mm-hmm.
missing values we don't remove. Rather than that, missing values we impute. Okay. For
Okay.
example, I'll show you one command. Oh, sorry, I'm where I am. Oh, I know. I'll show you. Impute missing values. I don't know what command is there. Just I'm putting display missing value, numeric imputer. So imputer, there are imputer. Okay. So I'll say imputer. Now there is iterative imputer, numeric imputer, date imputer, category imputer. Now, if all
Okay.
the data are independent of each other, then we can
Okay.
use iterative imputer and it gives far better result. Okay. Now, before
Okay.
I discuss about the iterative imputer, can you tell me what kind of imputer you use? Suppose some missing value is there somewhere, some column. What do you do?
We replace that value regarding the like in the data
Hmm.
like if there are any big values or we can say it's is any mean value in between that, so we can replace that value by putting the mean value or something or also there is one
See, you can put with
method that
mean value, you can put with median value, all this thing, correct?
yeah, median also.
Okay. Now, here, see, we were seeing now, forget about iterative. Here, numeric computer.
Okay.
See, what
Yeah.
we are saying A for arithmetic mean, M for median, F for forward fill, B for backward fill, I for interpolate. You can interpolate
Okay.
also. Okay. Five methods we are
Okay. Okay.
providing. Okay.
Okay.
But we are providing far better than this mean and median and all these things, because in numeric, if there are 80% values are missing and you all fill by mean, the model will be prac- practically speaking, model will be absurd. Okay. Now I'll take
Okay.
this fast and then I'll clarify when next thing we will do. That time I'll clarify. For this we will just remove duplicate, and now we will go association rule. What are the two columns? Invoice number contain the invoice and stock code contain the code of the stock. And we are saying save into this file. And then see, human does not understand by code. So we are saying stock code, you connect with the description and save into this file. I'll run this file. DSC retail. This will take some time because there are a lot of rows and lot of data munging or data crunching it has to do. So it is generating association rules. We'll say why. Then it is generating connecting to this thing. Done. Okay. We have taken hardly 16 seconds for 410,000 rows. Okay. And let us check. Now I'll check directly this with the description. So if person is purchasing this item, the same person is likely to purchase this item also. And this is the antecedent description, this is the consequent description. So these two items, if anybody is purchasing this, we can say the person is likely to purchase this item also. And what is the confidence? You can put confidence Now this item confidence is 90%, this item confidence is 18%. There are some item where only 0.08% confidence is there. Okay. And there are ways to tell. Okay, before we go imputer, I'll say association rules. We have taken some uh, we have taken only these transaction identifier or and item and file name, but we can also give minimum support threshold and minimum metric threshold. Fourth and fifth parameters are optional, we have not used. So is this clear to everybody? Support is most important, sorry, confidence is most important than lift. And what are support and lift? We
Yeah.
can see here. See, support of a rule is the proportion of transaction that contain both the antecedent and consequence. It measures the co-occurrence of antecedent and consequence. And confidence is a measure of reliability. And lift quantifies how much more likely is it to find the consequent when the antecedents are present. Okay. So here it is very simple. Whatever you want association, you say DSC minus L association ASS association rules. Now I say association rules. You just give me how it works. DSC minus H association. Oh, sorry.
Sir, I got another comment in the live stream.
Hmm,
Let me tell you.
hmm,
Uh, Darshan Govda C is asking, we
hmm,
can feel the missing values by mean, median, frequently occur values in dataset.
hmm,
I think each and every command a new output file is generated. Is
hmm.
there any way to work in an IDE?
Can you come again? Okay. No, we will discuss about
Can you please?
imputation in 2 minutes. Let me
No, no.
complete this.
Wait. Okay.
Let me complete this. I am coming to next topic where we will be dealing with missing data. Now, online retail
I
is.
am asking you to
Hmm.
please go on YouTube live stream link and solve that comment. Okay.
Okay, we will see, right? Just when I take my
Okay.
next step,
Okay.
next
Okay.
this thing, we will clear. Now we will take the next problem, APS failure at Scania truck. This is the download link, and we have to create classification model, and they have given that if positive is classified negative, it is called cost 1. If negative is classified positive, then cost is 500, and we have to minimize the cost, and we have to create the classification model. Now, first thing, we will create the profile generation for training data, test data. That is very simple. I'll not go into that. Oh, but I have to create still the profile, APS profile. Okay, I'm going to this thing, CD, APS, and DSC. I'll clarify doubts. APS profile. Okay, done. Now, here we are into APS profile and we see what it has created. For training profile, okay, these are all I'll close. Okay, now you see there are 60,000 rows, number of columns are 171, there is no duplicate row. Now you see the missing values. 79 column number is having 49,264 missing value, 82% of missing values are there. 78 column, 81.2% missing values are there. 79, except two column out of 175, all columns are having missing value except two column, A triple zero and class. Except these column, every column has missing value. And if you fill, now the question. Okay, now let the person ask the question. Please ask your question. Hello, Ansul?
Yeah. So can you please go on YouTube live stream?
Okay, I'll go to YouTube live stream. Mm, mm. Okay,
Go
where
on
it
YouTube
is?
and live, click on live or go to
Like,
home tab.
no,
Yeah.
no, let's click.
Yeah.
Now,
And please check in like comment session.
hmm, yeah,
Yeah, you can. Hmm.
yeah. One is here
Please
said
check in.
we can choose the missing value by mean, median, frequently occurred value, mean, median, mode. Okay. So that real life it does not work. I'll give you far better method.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah. You see, my voice is echoing. Okay. Now he says, I think for each and every command a new output file is generated. Is there any way to work in an IDE? Okay. Now, see, yeah. Hello.
हेलो हाँ आपका वहां से वो माइक को मतलब कि जो साउंड को ऑफ कर दो यूट्यूब वीडियो पे
Okay. YouTube pay. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm doing. Where it is?
ओके हाँ प्लीज होवर ऑन द वीडियो
Ah,
नो नो आई एम आस्किंग ऑन वीडियो
huh?
एंड देयर क्लिक ऑन लाइक पोज बटन समथिंग लाइक दैट लाइव जहाँ पे लाइव लिखा है नीचे 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 वीडियो
वीडियो
के
पे
वहाँ
हाँ यहाँ
कंट्रोल
पे
हाँ
ये है ना
वो बटन साउंड बटन या अरे एट द लेफ्ट
ये कहाँ है ये ऑटो प्ले है ये सबटाइटल है ये सेटिंग है ये मल्टीप्लेयर है ये थिएटर मोड है कहाँ है
क्लिक ऑन अरे रिज्यूम आइकन इज या देयर इज माइक बटन
हाँ हियर
साउंड
इट इज
बटन है या
नाउ इट इज ओके
ओके इट डजंट मैटर
ओके
यू कैन
नाउ
कंटिन्यू सॉरी
he the question is whether every time we are generating a new file and output is there any way to work in an IDE okay see the purpose of language is it like when you do in python do you do in IDE or you do how you do let me talk to Darshan yeah Mr. Darshan please
we need to wait for his comment on the YouTube. You can continue other part. I will let you know
okay
whenever he will like
okay
reply on your question. Okay.
okay right so now what we are going to do see most of the columns is both training and test data have missing value and if we take mean median or mode the model will be very terrible it will not give a good result at all because all data are independent the different trucks are there okay I open the original file you just see mm, test data this is training data so lot of missing values are there na and everything is independent different truck so they are not related to each other. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to do iterative imputing. Now, there are four methods. One is ICE, iterative imputation method based on regularized linear regression, hyperimpute, misforest, and X hyperimpute. It is faster version of hyperimpute with slightly less accuracy but faster version. Now, I am not going to do because iterative imputer, it is taking just for training file, it has taken 843 seconds. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just show you the result. Mm, this is that uh, imputed value. Now you see, this is the, oh sorry, this value I don't want. This is the, that NA value where it is. Okay, we will, I will Okay. The all NA value are filled with different value. I'll just show. This is the training set. Or what I'll do, I'll make it small. You are seeing lot of NA, and now
Yeah.
we will imputed value. This is the imputed value because there are 177 columns. It is taking time. Now you see the first value is filled by 7.78. Second value is filled by 204. Third is 3.60. 0 remained 0. This value is imputed, put 1.88, 1.12, 11.13, 6.40. Everything is different. I think this gives picture very clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So based on other columns, it will try to find the best value, best estimate, so that the model we create will be very good. And already I think we are crossing the time, so I'll not run the program. I'll just show you the program. It is ensemble classification. Class is the target variable, and all variables we are using. So we are just keeping it empty, and 20% we are using for testing, 80% for training, and the result we are storing in imputed log, and model we are storing in this TKL file. That's all. This is the entire program. And the result of this program, I'll show you. Mm, This is the result. We, First, we have used CatBoost. CatBoost is giving 99.3% accuracy, LightGBM 99.29%, XGBoost 99.37, like that, Random Forest and AdaBoost, and the ensemble metric. These are the best model, ensemble model with the 99.375% accuracy. And for zero class, out of this, you can see 11,788 rows, only 18 were wrongly classified. And out in this, in positive class, out of 155, 57 are wrongly classified. And finally, we checked the value, predict, because we are having test file, we could check. And this is the checking result. And when we have done, it hardly took 5 seconds, and what we got cost is 9,410. And if you see original, the person who got first is 9,920 cost, and what we are getting cost is 9,400, 500 less. And two line programs we are writing, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. The same thing, if we have to do this ensemble computation in Python, we have to write 100 plus line programs.
Please click on top right to hide this cross icon I am asking for. Click it. And wait, I am doing. Click it and hide this one also, like by clicking cross. Yeah. Click cross on host and speakers tab.
No, 1 minute. This I am stop. Huh? No,
Okay.
this I can close, but
Yeah.
I'm stopping sharing, and I'm taking the
Yeah.
question now.
So yeah.
Yes.
Is it visible on your
Yes.
screen?
Response, we use mainly Jupyter or VS Code. All the output will be shown on output window. But as I saw you're explaining DSC, it generate output file for every command you run in command prompt. Okay, correct? Now I'll show you something. Okay, first I have to share my screen.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm sharing entire screen. Okay, my screen is visible. Hello.
yes,
Yes. Now
yes.
the first thing to do the same thing, how many lines he writes in Jupyter, you ask him to tell.
What I have to ask?
No, I'll directly talk. You allow him to speak. I'll directly talk.
He's on YouTube live stream. He is not in
No.
any plat.
Okay, so how can I talk to him? No, basically
He
there are two
can't
things.
talk by voice. You
Okay,
can
okay,
just say, and he
okay,
will
no
like
problem.
give.
I'll show you something. We will go to student data only, okay? And I'll say DSCI open students.csv. Are you able to see the way you are seeing in Jupyter? Are you able to see the data here itself? And now my question is, I want to add total column. So what should I do? So I'll say, show me the add commands. There are so many. It is we are doing statistical column. So we'll say, I want to know how it works. So I'll say question mark add stat column. I'll say add state column total sum. I can also give name also. I can give number also. Total has been displayed. Now I want to give rank. So I'll say add rank column. How it works? There are 5 methods of ranking: average rank, mean rank, max, first, and dance. I think here it is great. Is my voice echoing? Okay. Now we'll say,
No,
okay, add rank column, rank based on uh, group wise. Okay, grade. What was the name of that? Mm, it is grade. Okay, grade, and grade wise we have to give, and based on total marks in descending order. And because I am not giving any method, default method average will work. Originally we have used min method. So I'll say rank is also computed. Now I want to order by total in descending. So I'll say order by total descending. Now you are able to see. Top 3% got 1 rank. I can create one more rank column, and this time I'll say rank 1, and rank 1, and I'll say mm, that every person will get. I said first, no? Total descending rank 1, grade wise. Achha, grade wise, because grade wise. Okay. So I should sort order by not only on total, first grade, within grade, total, and grade ascending, total, ascending, sorted. You can say, now, is it not working interactively like Jupyter? It is much more than that. Jupyter, you cannot ask help. Here, you can ask what command given with the add full command. I want to know the syntax of percentile column or rank column or group column, add group column. I say question mark, add group column, how it works. It will give syntax, example, then I can go and I can go up arrow and copy, and then whatever I want, I can do. Interactive also you can work. Very clear?
Yeah, so can you please tell to the participants that how they can access this, like access the beta version of it?
Yeah. Now I'll go to the final screen and what that last thing I want to show you. Our offer. We are offering the following to everyone who registers at our website www.dsclawn.com. One is DSC Lite, the light version of DSC that can handle 10,000 rows and 20 columns. This is free for lifetime. However, limitations related to the number of rows and columns may change from time to time, and this should be available by mid January. Then we are giving ebook. This book will show how to effectively use DSC. This should be available by mid February. DSC without any limitation, except the memory of your computer, will be available for 15 days. DSCI, just now I have shown you DSC Interactive for 15 days, and hundreds of case studies on supervised and unsupervised machine learning through our newsletter. Please click on register to register on our website. This is our.
So let's move to launch session in just 2 minutes.
Mhm,
Sir, you have 2 minutes. You can tell if you want to tell anything.
mhm.
Then we will move to launch session. Okay,
1 minute, 1 minute.
where sir will be like talk. Will be talking with you, and like you can join any launch wherever sir will be. Okay. So
Yeah.
I am making an announcement
Mhm.
here too.
See, before we conclude the session, I want to thank all of you for your valuable time, and hopefully I could give you how you can improve your productivity. And when we are saying 5 to 6 times actually speaking, it
Oh,
can
we
do.
got one more comment.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you please check comment, or
Yes.
should I like pin it?
No, no. He's asking graph. So we say chatbot graph.
Yes, I have pinned.
It can generate graph.
Okay.
Type can be line,
So
bar,
yeah.
paragraph, pi, and you can say this is the command. Range of rows, range of columns, and graph type. Three things you have to give.
So yeah. Let's move to the lounge area.
Oh,
Sir,
my
it's
screen is not
time to
visible now.
end this session.
Excuse me. Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
it's not.
Okay, okay. So I'm sorry. I'll just one
Okay.
minute. I'll share for 1 second.
Okay. 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 You can.
Generate graph command. Again, single line command. You can generate bar type, line graph, bar graph, histogram, pi. Okay.
Awesome.
So should I stop sharing now? Right. Now let's You please take over.
So it's time to end this session. Thank you all for attending this code invoices session by Panna sir on DSC. Okay, so let's end this session and let's move on to social launches area
Okay.
where we will be talking with Panna sir. Panna sir, please
Yeah. Should I
join
end
launches
session
area.
and then go to table?
Yeah,
Okay.
by going out of